Hi everyone, this is Dave, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the BrydgeAir. This is a Bluetooth keyboard made specifically for the iPad Air or iPad Air 2, but because this doesn't rely on specific cutouts in a case for various ports etc, it will in fact work with the new 9.7-inch iPad Pro. Now this is made of the same grade material, very high quality finish as the back side of your iPad, and it's even got the little tiny cutout on the front here to aid in lifting up the screen. We've also got a couple of buttons here as well. One of them acts as a Bluetooth pairing button, and then they actually can change the volume on your iPad. And then there's a little switch here for turning the keyboard off and on. Now if we turn this over, you'll see it looks very familiar indeed. Sort of replicates the look of the bottom of the iPad as well. Very nicely done indeed. And then across the back here we have got the sort of hinge mechanism. Now you can get different inserts. There are extra ones included in the box for if you've got the iPad Air or iPad Air 2. This is set up for the iPad Air 2 and this works absolutely fine with the 9.7-inch iPad Pro. So to set it up, you simply slot your iPad into the back here, and it's not going to scratch it because the little metal hinges have got plastic inserts inside them. Very, very soft rubberized plastic, so this is very, very safe to use. We've also got little tiny black bits on the front edge here, so when you close it down, your screen isn't going to get damaged either. And typing, well, typing is very nice on this particular keyboard. It's very tactile, the feedback is good, and I find it a real pleasure to use for typing out documents nice and quickly. We've got a whole host of shortcuts across the back here as well, so you can change things like brightness, bring up the on-screen keyboard, search, check the battery life, etc, and even change the volume over here. And you've got some media controls thrown in for good measure. It really is a fully featured keyboard. I just want to give you a close-up again here, just to show you how well made this is. It's just a very, very highly crafted Bluetooth keyboard that perfectly matches the iPad Pro. Let's actually close this, and you can see we've got the gold of the iPad here, and it's pretty much a seamless design. A very slight colour shift, but hardly noticeable. Really very, very impressive indeed. And then when we open up the iPad again, this is acting just like a laptop. It gives a little bit of a lift to the keyboard. So you've got a very slight angle where it sort of lifts up the back here, and that makes it very comfortable to type on. If you're looking for a decent Bluetooth keyboard for either your iPad Air, iPad Air 2, or indeed the iPad Pro 9.7-inch that we've got here, then this is well worth checking out. Thanks very much for watching. Please do hit like on this video, and I'll see you in another one very soon.